Here's some Freiheit und Einheit trivia. Subscribe. What treaty unified East and West Germany? Is it A, Treaty of Versailles, B, Helsinki Accords, C, 2+4 Agreement, or D, Paris Peace Treaty? The correct answer is C, 2+4 Agreement. Which city was the capital of East Germany? Is it A, Stuttgart, B, East Berlin, C, Hamburg, or D, Munich? The correct answer is B, East Berlin. What symbol represents German unity? Is it A, Berlin Wall, B, Rhine River, C, Brandenburg Gate, or D, Cologne Cathedral? The correct answer is C, Brandenburg Gate. What was the name of East Germany's secret police? Is it A, KGB, B, Stasi, C, CIA, or D, Gestapo? The correct answer is B, Stasi. Which former East German leader was overthrown in 1989? Is it A, Wolfgang Thierse, B, Egon Krenz, C, Lothar de Maizière, or D, Angela Merkel? The correct answer is B, Egon Krenz. What country influenced East Germany's political system? Is it A, United States, B, France, C, Soviet Union, or D, Germany? The correct answer is C, Soviet Union. What architectural structure became a reunification icon? Is it A, Reichstag, B, Eiffel Tower, C, Colosseum, or D, Sagrada Familia? The correct answer is A, Reichstag. Which city hosted the reunification celebrations? Is it A, Hamburg, B, Munich, C, Frankfurt, D, Berlin? The correct answer is D, Berlin. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.